I got a nappy on my head.
No, it's a chef.
I'm a chef. You touch me, I'll give you no food. Forever.
What's this? Dylan! Dylan!
Ah! That's it right here. Oh, he's saying hi to the viewers. Now he hates my... Hey, you touch the chef. You'll get no food ever again. Hey, that's a food can jar. That's a food jar lid. You don't have nothing to do with food, okay? Not even my phone. I eat that when I go to bed.
You eat your phone?
No.
You eat your phone when you go to
Look at that face. Look at that face.
Look.
Nope.
Dylan!
That's his head. Oh no. Oh, he's going to eat it. Oh.